The following video is a FEELER VMP-580 4-axis CNC vertical machining center. This unit is new 2012. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
Okay, I'm just going to run through all the axes real quick like for you. I'm going to start with X, and I'm going to go ahead and move it to the left. Move it back. I'm going to run Y forward. And then back. And travel the Z axis down. And then back. Now the rotary table. Move it forward. Back. And then back to center. All right, now we're going to go ahead and do a tool change. Oh, I'll already be in that one. Tool 8. I'll do one more. Back to a 9. All right, now we'll do a spindle test. This is 1,000 RPM. We'll step up to 2,500. That's 2,500 RPM. We'll step it up to 50. Or 5,000. We'll step it up to 8,000. Now we'll step it up to 10,000. And that is 10,000 RPM.
Again, the preceding video was a FEELER VMP-580 CNC vertical machining center, new 2012.